Hey, are you a Google Gemini user and you want to use Gemini within the Chrome web browser on Google Android? If yes, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can use Google Gemini Artificial Intelligence and Google Chrome web browser on Android operating system devices. Now, this is different than AI mode. It's actually integrated now into the Google Chrome web browser, and on any page, any tab, you can actually use Gemini and Google Chrome on Google Android devices, and you can even ask it questions that would be generative artificial intelligence, and then you can browse to a different tab and while you're waiting for a response. This comes directly from Google's official support subdomain. This is their official how-to article pertaining to this feature. At the time of this video creation, not everybody has access. I was going to try to demonstrate for you. I cannot. I attempted it. I do not think I have access because it only shows me the AI, the old school AI mode, which is not the same thing. As a matter of fact, here I'll quickly show you the one difference. You want to look for the Gemini right here. You know the Gemini, well, it's kind of like a star, but it might even look like kind of like a diamond. Look for that in the upper top of the address bar in the Google Chrome web browser on Android. Look for that. The AI mode, that's different. This is built in now. You just click on that and then you can actually start using Gemini. Okay, here's some more further details. What you need, it's not available to everyone. All right, they're slowly allowing access. All right, you can also use it on a tablet, but it has to have Google Android operating system. You must be 18 or over in a supported region. You must have a Google Android smartphone with at least 4 gigabytes of random access memory. And you will need to then have Google Android version 12 or newer operating system installed on that device. Then you will want to use the latest version of Chrome, so you want to update it. You know what I'm saying? You can go into the Google Play Store and update it. That's one way. Then you'll want to sign into Google Chrome with a Google account that you will then want that so that you can actually use Google Gemini. You cannot use it in incognito mode, so they require you to log in with a Google account. And then you want to make sure your device settings is set to English. So it sounds like maybe they only support English at this time. Now, if you use Gemini and Chrome on an Android device, if you have an employer or educational account, then that access must be enabled by your administrator, and then you would be able to try to then use Google Gemini in Google Chrome and on Android device. Google, 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 Google. You know what I'm saying? Now here's how you chat. So you just open up Google Chrome and then tap the Ask Gemini, or you can just even tap the icon, the logo, the star, the diamond. It shows up on the right hand side, I think it will, of the address bar, where the Uniform Resource Locator is displayed. You'll see that. You just click on that and then it'll open up. Now you'll have to opt in the first time you use Gemini and Chrome. You'll just have to follow the on-screen prompts. Now in a chat box, so that's an input prompt, that's generative artificial intelligence, you can ask questions or requests. I'm not sure if you can use agentic. I'm not 100% sure. You could try it. You could ask it, okay, create this image. Or, you know what I'm saying? I'm not 100% sure. At the very least, it's artificial intelligence generative, which is input, which is a chatbot, right? It says that your current page is shared with Gemini and Chrome, and then you do not have to share that page at any time. Then you would tap Stop Sharing, and then tap Submit. Now you can also start Gemini by clicking the 3-dot menu and then click on Ask Gemini. You may actually see the Ask Gemini text. When I tried to demonstrate, obviously I couldn't, but when I searched on the internet, I found some images that you may only see the diamond star icon for Gemini. Just look for either or both. All right, I'm not going to go over anything further. Just a basic rudimentary video on how to. If you want more additional, did you just hear what I almost said? More additional? That is redundant. If you want additional information, just look for the official support page from Google, and you could use Google Gemini and ask it for the official support page for what is known as how you can use Google Gemini artificial intelligence in Google Chrome web browser on a Google Android device operating system. Adios!